In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Squarespace website in 10 easy steps. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio, or a business site, Squarespace offers a user-friendly platform that can help you achieve a professional online presence. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the official Squarespace website. This is your starting point on this exciting journey. Squarespace provides helpful guidance and inspiration, so take advantage of exploring what's possible even before you begin the actual designing process. Once you're on the site, it's time to choose a template. Templates are crucial as they determine the overall look and feel of your website. Squarespace offers a wide variety of templates tailored to different purposes, from blogs to artist portfolios to online stores. Spend some time browsing these options and select one that aligns with your vision. The next step involves building your website. This is where creativity meets structure. The chosen template serves as your foundation, and you can now start adding content, images, and specific features that reflect your needs. Squarespace's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes this a breeze. Now, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is your primary control center. Understanding the dashboard is key to managing your site efficiently. Here, you can monitor site metrics, navigate between design options, and manage settings. It might seem daunting at first, but take your time to explore and get comfortable. Moving on, let's edit the header. The header often contains your logo and navigation menu, playing a significant role in your website's identity. Ensure it's visually appealing and concise. Adjust colors, upload your logo, and organize the navigation to make it straightforward for visitors to find what they need. Next, dive into basic customization. This involves personalizing fonts, colors, and other style elements. Consistent branding is critical, so pay attention to detail. Squarespace offers a wealth of customization options, allowing you to tailor the look to suit your branding or personal taste. As you proceed, focus on page elements. This includes text blocks, images, buttons, and more. Every element should be purposeful and enhance user experience. This is an opportunity to add your voice and style to the template, making the design truly your own. Checking mobile responsiveness is essential. In today's world, many users access websites from mobile devices. Ensure your site looks great and functions seamlessly on smartphones and tablets. Squarespace's responsive design capabilities usually handle this automatically, but it's always wise to preview and make adjustments if needed. Creating more pages is next. Depending on your site's purpose, you might need additional pages like an About page, Contact page, or blog. Squarespace simplifies this process, allowing you to easily duplicate existing pages as templates for new ones and make necessary customizations. Finally, remember to save all your hard work. Squarespace offers real-time saving, but it's good practice to review everything before making your site live. Check for typos, broken links, or any last-minute changes. Once satisfied, your site is ready to welcome visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to design a Squarespace website in just 10 simple steps. With a bit of creativity and patience, your site can be up and running, ready to make a lasting impression online. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.